G'day, this is Dave Conroy, and I wanted to share with you today how sometimes it can be quite difficult to do a toilet cistern repair. Now, this toilet cistern is it's built into the wall. It's quite a feature in the modern bathroom. This bathroom is about 20 years old, but this plate here is the toilet cistern is built into the wall. It's a tile and gyprock wall, and all the vital parts of the toilet cistern are in the wall, so we have to take this plate off to get in there to get to the parts. But what I wanted to show you today was that we had trouble changing the control valve on this particular cistern. So if you just follow me, I'll show you what we had to do. It's a little bit difficult, but this is what we had to do. So just follow me. And we had to actually cut a hole in the wall like this to get to, I hope you can see that, to get to the pipe that feeds water into that toilet cistern. Now this is a simple repair job that needs to be done from here on. So the toilet is now running, but that's sometimes what has to happen with a concealed toilet cistern. Thanks for watching.